Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turn on Nissan Rogue, only way. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and fasten your seatbelt. Keep the brake fully depressed. Then either insert and turn the key or press the engine start button while holding the brake. Wait until the dashboard lights settle and the engine engages. Release the brake gently and confirm all warning lights are off before driving. Many Nissan Rogue models use either a key or push-button start, and knowing which yours makes a smooth start easier. For key models, insert and turn it while holding the brake until the engine runs. For push-button models, keep the fob inside the cabin, press the brake, then press the button until the engine fires. If the fob battery is weak, hold it very close to the start button as you press the brake. If your Rogue won't start, stay calm and follow a few checks to avoid mistakes. Confirm the transmission is in park or neutral, ensure the brake pedal is pressed, and look for dashboard warnings. A dead battery often causes no crank or slow cranking, so try a jump or battery test. Repeated clicking can indicate a starter issue, so limit attempts and consider roadside help or a mechanic to diagnose the problem safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.